Hi, Aniyah. This is your reading buddy, Laura. I miss reading with you. I hope you and your family are all healthy and safe. I will read you a story, and either you can read it as well as any of your family members. And if anyone else has access to this, that would be great too. The story I'm picking today is called The Dog Show. Can you think about walking your dog if you have a dog? The Dog Show, written by Anne Hart. I wonder what this story will be about. Ready, Pip? Abe brushed his dog's black curly hair. Today is the city dog show. He clipped a leash to Pip's collar. I think Pip looks very happy to go on a walk. Abe and Pip walked to the park, where they saw many dogs and their owners. They saw a girl with straight blonde hair. Her dog's fur was straight and blonde too. They saw a boy with brown wavy hair. His dog's fur was brown and wavy too. They saw a woman with red frizzy hair. Which one is that? Is it this lady? Yes, I think so. Her dog's fur was red and frizzy too. Hi, Abe, Rudy said as she walked towards Abe and Pip. She bent down to pat Pip. Hi, Rudy. Have you noticed anything strange? He pointed at a man with short, stiff hair. His dog's hair was short and stiff, too. Rudy looked. She shrugged. I don't think so, she said. What's strange? What do you think is strange, Maya? Just then, a little dog walked by all alone. He had long, curly brown ears with blue ribbons tied on. There he is. They look like pigtails, Rudy laughed. A girl ran over to Abe and Rudy. She had long, curly pigtails with blue ribbons. She looked worried. Have you seen my dog? She asked. Pip pointed at the little dog with blue bows. He's over there. Thank you. The girl ran after her dog. There she is. Now, do you see it? Abe asked Rudy. See what? Rudy said. The dogs have the same hair as their owners. This hair and his dog. Let's go back and look. There's her hair and ribbon. And there's that dog with the ribbon. And this man and the dog. Oh, and this lady with red hair and the dog with red hair. That is pretty funny. All right, let's go back to where we were. Rudy looked at Abe. She looked down at Pip. You're right, she said. She pulled Abe and Pip over to a store window. Look, Abe looked at their reflection in the glass. Pip looked great. Her black curly hair was shiny. He looked at his own hair and laughed. His black curly hair was shiny too. See, he said, the dogs do have the same hair as their owners. What color hair does Abe have? And where did this story take place? Abe have brown hair. And did it take place at the zoo? No. At the grocery store? No. Where? Right, at the park. What is Abe's dog's name? And where is the dog show at? What name was that? Pip. Is that Abe's dog? Yes. And it's at the park. I hope you enjoyed this story, Aniyah, and anyone else who's listening. Please stay healthy and safe and keep reading. Have a great day. Bye.